Police on Thursday blocked MDCT Vice President Elias Mudzuri from holding a leadership restructuring meeting at the party's headquarters, Morgan Richard Tsvangirai House in Harare. Salamda mashoko obuda pana kutika Bongozozo violence at Harvest House. Panguwa ino kuti subscribe like patomba bell icon tipina munomubuda nyuko mchinzi muzimu aya vanobuda vachinyora vachiti more than 400 MDCT members had gathered for the meeting, which Mudzuri convened to discuss internal reforms and party unity amid deepening divisions in the opposition movement. The disruption comes against the backdrop of a High Court ruling in February 2025 by Justice Habeas Joe, which ordered MDC leader Douglas Bongozozo to step down and facilitate an elective Congress within 6 months. The court cited irregularities in the party's 2022 Extraordinary Congress that elevated Bongozozo to presidency. Speaking after the aborted meeting, Mudzuri said efforts to reach a negotiated settlement with Bongozozo had failed. We had agreed on a roadmap for reconciliation and restructuring, but Bongozozo refused to sign the agreement. Mudzuri told the journalist, as bona fide members of the MDC, we decided to come together as one family to resolve these issues. Continued court battles are damaging the party. We have seen membership decline and enthusiasm. One dialogue is our best option. Mudzuri accused Bongozozo of orchestrating the police intervention to block the meeting. The police said they were maintaining order after receiving a tip-off from Bongozozo about the gathering. He advised us to reschedule, he said. Mudzuri insisted that the party's direction must be decided collectively. In the MDC, it's the members, not individuals, who hold ultimate authority, he said. A joint monitoring and implementation committee made up of representatives from both factions is expected to oversee the transitional process if consensus is eventually reached. Bongozozo, who controversially took control of the MDC alliance from the former leader Nelsonchamisa, boycotted the 2023 elections, denouncing them as a sham. He has faced mounting accusations of working in cahoots with the ruling party ZANU-PF to weaken the opposition since his rise to power. Domashko arikubuda panguva ina developments ari kuitika with the opposition MDCT party. Pineko section medu tizamafunguro enyu moti kulipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.